Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm super excited because my Beautylish Lucky Bag is finally here. For those of you that don't know what a Lucky Bag is, you're not alone. I just found out what they were last year. Beautylish launches what they call Lucky Bags every year the day after Christmas. I believe it's usually the day after Christmas. It was this year, it was December 26th. And there's a few different tiers. There's like the regular Lucky Bag, which I believe is $75 for $150 worth of beauty products. Then there's the XL Lucky Bag, which is $150 for $300 worth of products. They have a Jeffree Star one, which is $75 for $150 worth of Jeffree Star products. I think those are like the main three. Then they have like ones where you can gift them. Last year I just got a regular Lucky Bag and I didn't really like it very much, but I figured I would try again this year, and I really wanted to try for the XL bag. This year I was actually lucky enough to get the XL bag. I say lucky enough, but then again I spent $150 on mystery beauty items, so is it really lucky? I don't know. Anyway, here is the presentation. They use like this beautiful paper, and then it says Lucky Bag 2020. Oh, and here, okay. Now I can find the words to actually explain it. So it says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. That's cute. So this year there's crane. Last year there was Buddhas. So yeah, I'm really curious to see what I got. Let's go ahead and open this. I have not peeked. As you can see, it's still beautifully intact, and I'm really hoping it's a good value. God damn it. Why? I'm saying God damn it because I see right on top Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Don't get me wrong, I like Jeffree Star, but if I wanted Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I would have ordered a Jeffree Star mystery bag. Okay, it's all in this little bundle here. Oh, this isn't looking good. Okay. First up, I got the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary edition lip set. So there's Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. I definitely have Androgyny. I don't have the others. So, I mean, that's not that bad. Okay, so this bundle retails for $75 on Beautylish's website. So, I mean, yeah, it's a high price. This isn't something I would have picked. All right, moving on. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. There's a Natasha Denona Metropolis palette in here. Okay. Now we're talking. None of them are broken, thank God. This is a palette I really actually wanted. I saw it debut at Sephora when I went to LA in September, and it was like before it was released, and I got to swatch it in person, and it was lovely. But Natasha Denona palettes are just so expensive that I knew I could never buy one. Holy shit. This is gorgeous. Okay, this palette retails for $129, so I paid $150 plus 15 shipping, $175, $176 with tax, whatever. This cost almost as much as what I paid for the whole box. So, okay, very happy about the Metropolis palette. All right, what else we got? What the fuck? I think this is for your hair. It's Oribe Feather Balm Weightless Styler. Style, shine, and weightless control, specially developed for finer hair textures. This ultralight balm smooths and hydrates while imparting a hint of hold to blowouts. Okay. I do have very fine hair, so I would be curious to try this out. Let's see what it retails for. This thing retails for $42. I mean, that's a really high price for a hair item, at least more than what I'm used to spending, so okay, must be good. Is this a Wayne Goss brush? I got a Wayne Goss brush last year. What is this? Oh no, it's a Sonia G. All right, the Sonia G brush, what is this? It just says Crease 1. Sonia G Crease 1, Japan. I guess that means it's made in Japan. It's really soft. Holy fuck, it retails for $32? Is this human? I don't know why this would cost that much money, but okay. Really bougie brush, got it. All right, then I got this set of Stila Glitter and Glows. Glitter and Goes. What the hell? Glitter and Glows. 3 colors. I'd rather them be Glimmer, Shimmer, and Glow. Y'all, these names. Whatever, I don't like the glitter ones as much is what I'm trying to say. It's iridescent. This little set retails for $25. Are they minis? Okay, they're minis. That makes sense. I mean, whatever, I'll probably use them. I have so many of these. What are the shades? Dollish, Stylish, and Embellish. At least I don't have any of these colors yet, so that's okay. And then we got a Good Molecules product. Okay, so this is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. Funny enough, I'm actually on Good Molecules PR. I don't know how. Thank you so much, Good Molecules. I don't know what I did to deserve that because I really do enjoy your skincare. I do already have one of these that I'm working through, so I mean, it's a really nice primer. It's just, do I need another full size of it right now? No, not really. It does retail for $14 though, if you're curious. So the value of everything in my box was $317, which it says that you get a $300 value with this XL Lucky Bag. So I guess it's accurate, $317. We made it over the mark. I don't know how I feel about it though. If I'm being 110% honest with myself, the only thing I'm actually happy about is the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. I wouldn't have picked the Jeffree Star lippies. I don't care about that hair product, the $32 brush. Why? I already have one of these. Nice primer again, but I already have one. And then the Stila Glittering Glows just aren't my favorite. So yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna do the XL again. I don't know. I mean, I could have just saved like, what, $40, something like that, and just bought this palette outright if I really wanted it that bad. But I mean, it's all part of the fun of getting the mystery and seeing what you're gonna get. So all in all, I can't really complain too much. I did get a Natasha Denona palette, which I would have never spent full price on, so there's that. Anyway, did you guys get a lucky bag this year? Regular or XL or Jeffree Star for that matter? I would love to know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!